Imagine you're standing at the edge of a vast ocean, the morning sun just beginning to warm the water. You feel the cool sand beneath your feet, the sound of waves inviting you to step in. This ocean, my friends, is the world of trading. And today, I'm here to take your hand and guide you gently from the shore into the shallows. Trading can seem daunting at first. It's filled with stories of soaring successes and humbling failures. You might have heard tales of someone who turned a small investment into wealth beyond their dreams, or cautionary tales of those who lost it all. It's easy to be swayed by the excitement and fear these stories evoke. But let me assure you, trading is not about jumping in headfirst with blind ambition or running away at the first sign of uncertainty. Trading is about learning to swim with the tides, understanding the currents, and moving with intention. In the beginning, trading feels like learning a new language. You encounter terms like stocks, bonds, futures, and options. Imagine these as different lanes or swimming strokes in that ocean. Each has its rhythm and depth. And just like no one masters a new language overnight, nor does anyone become a trading expert in a single day. The key is to start simple. Begin with one lane, let's say stocks, which represent ownership in a company. Buying a stock is like owning a tiny piece of that business, riding the waves with its successes and setbacks. To start trading, you'll need a brokerage account, your vessel in this ocean. Think of it as your surfboard, a tool that helps you navigate the waters. Brokers, the companies that offer these accounts, come in various types, from full service to discount brokers. The difference lies in the services they provide and the fees they charge. A beginner might choose a discount broker to minimize costs while gaining direct control over trades. Now, once you have your surfboard, it's time to learn about risk. Risk is the possibility of losing some or all of your investment. But it's important to remember, risk and reward are two sides of the same coin. Imagine trading as a tightrope walk. Risk is the height and reward is the view. The higher you go, the more breathtaking the view, but the greater the potential fall. The wise trader respects the risk, but doesn't let it paralyze them. They use tools like stop-loss orders, a safety net that limits potential losses, much like a tether on that tightrope. One of the most powerful aspects of trading is understanding market psychology, the emotions that drive the markets. Fear and greed are the two titans here. Fear might convince you to cut your losses too quickly, while greed might tempt you to hold on to a winning trade for too long. It's like surfing. Fear might have you paddling back to shore too soon, whereas greed might have you chasing bigger waves than you're ready for. Cultivating a mindset of patience and discipline helps to temper these emotions. Let's talk about a real-life example. Imagine you've done your research and invested in a company that manufactures electric cars, drawn by its innovative technology. Initially, the stock price rises, a wave of euphoria. But soon, news of regulatory challenges in a major market causes the price to dip, an unexpected current. In these moments, it's crucial to have a plan. Ask yourself, why did you invest in this company? Is the reason still valid? If your original thesis holds, these market fluctuations are simply part of the journey. Successful traders cultivate the habit of learning. They study market trends, economic indicators, and company fundamentals. Knowledge in trading is like wind in your sails. It propels you forward. But learning doesn't stop with successes. Failure is also a teacher. When you make a mistake, and believe me, everyone does, it's not a reason to give up, but an opportunity to understand what went wrong and how to improve. As you venture deeper into trading, you'll hear about diversifying your portfolio, spreading your investments across different assets to reduce risk. Picture it as not just betting on one big wave, but enjoying the variety of the ocean, where some days you surf and other days you swim or build sandcastles. Diversification helps protect your wealth over the long term, capturing different opportunities while mitigating risks. Remember, Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Building wealth through trading is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires time, learning, and patience. As you tread these waters, keep an eye on the horizon and stay true to your goals. Let me leave you with this thought. Trading is about more than just making money. It's about growth, not just financially, but personally. It's about understanding yourself, your fears, your ambitions, and your ability to navigate the complex dance of chance and choice. As you reflect on your trading journey, embrace the lessons it offers, and may you sail confidently with wisdom as your compass and humility as your anchor.